Hello everyone! Happy September 14th. Today we celebrate creativity, curiosity, and the joy of coloring outside the lines. Let's explore 3 vibrant events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even just to spark someone's imagination. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Coloring Day. A celebration of expression, relaxation, and colorful fun. A great gift could be an adult coloring book set, a pack of premium markers, or a personalized coloring canvas. What's your favorite way to unwind creatively? Let's color the comments with ideas. Next, it's National Live Creative Day. A call to embrace originality and bold ideas. A thoughtful gift could be a DIY craft kit, a creativity journal, or a ticket to a local art class. How are you living creatively today? Share your spark below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Eat a Hoagie Day. A delicious excuse to enjoy a hearty sandwich with flair. A tasty gift could be a gourmet hoagie kit, a sandwich-themed apron, or a hoagie recipe card with regional twists. What's your ultimate hoagie combo? Let's build the perfect bite in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!